Let us do question number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which areas are given. Now look at this sum number 1. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Students, here you can see area is given. So we will consider that this is area of rectangle. Now we all know formula of area of rectangle, right? What it is? Length into breadth. Now see here, areas are given and we have to find length and breadth. How we will find? Here you can see it is 3 terms polynomial. That means trinomial. Here we have 3 terms. How can we solve this polynomial? We know the method of splitting the middle term. So we will use that method. Now we have area is equal to, which is already given, 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now we will use the method of splitting the middle term. How we will use that? This is a, this is c. A multiplied with c is 25 into 12, which is 300. Now what we have to do? We have to find factors of 300 whose addition is minus 35. So you have to think and you have to find. So we are going to use minus 20 and minus 15. Minus minus plus, sign of bigger number minus. 20 plus 15 gives us 35. Also 20 and 15. If we multiply, that gives us 300. So we will use these two factors. How we are going to write it as? 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So we will write it as 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. From first two terms, we will take common. What can we take common as? 5a. What we are left with? 5a minus 4. Next bracket also should be 5a minus 4. So what we will take common so that we can get 5a minus 4? It is minus 3. Why? Because minus 3 into 5 minus 15, right? Minus 3 into minus 4. Minus minus plus 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now let us write the factors. First bracket will be 5a minus 4 and second will be 5a minus 3. Now we have to write length and breadth. So length and breadth. Which will be length and which will be breadth? We know that length is bigger than breadth. Which is the bigger from these two? This 5a minus 3. So this will be length and breadth will be 5a minus 4. Now don't think that 5a minus 4 is bigger. Why? Because it is minus 5a minus 3. So only 3 to minus. Here 4 to minus. That means 5a minus 3 is bigger. So that is length. This is first sum. Let us do sum number 2. Here area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Here this is A, this is B. Sorry, C. Now area of a rectangle is length into breadth. What we will do? We will multiply A into C, that is 35 into minus 12. That gives us minus 420. What we have to do now? We have to find factors of minus 420, which gives us addition plus 13. So you have to think and you have to find answer. We will use 28 and minus 15. 28 into 15 gives us 420. 28 minus 15 gives us plus 13. Okay, so these factors we will use. Now we will write 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Let us write 35y square. In place of 13y we will write plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. What can we take common from first two term? We can take common 7y. 7 5s are, so we will left with 5y plus 4. Next bracket also should be 5y plus 4. What we can take common from those two? So it will be 5y plus 4. It is minus 3. Minus 3 into 5 minus 15y minus 3 into 4 minus 12. Now we will write answer 5y plus 4 and in the bracket 7y minus 3. We got answer this two bracket. Which will be length here? It will be 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4 will be breadth. Here we completed question number 15 both